is our tutorial on how to play the melody of Good King Wenceslas. We're using our sheet music of holiday duets, which you can download at the link below. In another lesson, we're going to learn how to play the harmony, which is part 2, but this is a lesson on part 1, which is the melody. So first thing we're going to do is play the entire song from beginning to end. Now to help us practice this song, we're going to break it down into 4 phrases of 4 measures each, and we're going to practice at a slower tempo. So let's get started with phrase 1. Now phrase 2, you might notice, is exactly the same as phrase 1. Here's phrase 3. And now our 4th and final phrase. So now that we've practiced the song in 4 phrases at a slower tempo, let's try putting it all together at our performance tempo. So there we have the melody of Good King Wenceslas. This is part 1 if you look at your Easy Duet sheet music. In our next tutorial, we're going to learn how to play part 2, which is the harmony part. And once you learn that part, you can play a nice duet with a friend. Thanks for watching. Now go practice.